Okay. So good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with another example. Okay, on Coulomb's law. Yesterday, I hope all of you solved this example. Okay, that was very easy. Yesterday we considered 2 point charges Q1 and Q2. Okay, and from that we can find the force acting on both charges. Okay, so today we'll consider more than two charges. One example we'll see. So everyone note the example. 4 point charges. 4 point charges. I will write the charges here. Okay, 4 point charges, each of 10 microcoulomb. Okay, 4 point charges, each of 10 microcoulomb are placed in free space. Are placed in free space at the points in bracket 1 0 0 1 0 0, then comma -1 0 0 -1 0 0, then third 0 1 0 0 1 0, and fourth 0 -1 0 0 -1 0. Okay, out of bracket meter respectively, means the distance is given which is in meter respectively. Okay, full stop. Determine the force on a point charge. Determine the force on a point charge of 30 microcoulomb. Determine the force on a point charge of 30 microcoulomb located at point 0 0 1 meter. 0 0 1 meter. Okay, so this is our example. So what is given here? So first write down given data. 4 point charges. Okay, point charges are 4 here, each of 10 microcoulomb. Okay, so we are considering 4 point charges Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, I'll write all here because all are having same magnitude, right? So here Q1 is equal to Q2, right? Which is equal to Q3, and it is equal to Q4, and all four are having magnitude of 10 microcoulomb, right? 10 microcoulomb. This 10 microcoulomb means it is equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Okay, so these are placed in free space at these given points. Okay, means at these given points in meter respectively. Means charge Q1 is placed at this, charge Q2 is placed here, charge Q3 is placed here, and charge Q4 is placed here. Okay, determine the force on a point charge of 30 microcoulomb located at 0 0 1 meter. Okay, means we have to find the force. Okay, we have to find the force at this last point. So first before solving this example, first we will locate all these points. Okay, first we will locate all the points, then you will understand. Okay, so this is your Cartesian coordinate system. X, Y, and Z coordinates are there. Okay, and there are 4-point charges. So this is your origin. This is your plus x-axis. Okay, so in negative direction, it is your minus x-axis. Okay, so this is your minus x, right? This is plus y direction. In opposite direction, it is minus y. Okay, so and this is plus z, and below it is minus z. Now we have to locate all these points. So first we will locate this charge q1, which is placed at 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 means what? 1, 0, 0 means x is equal to what here?
1.
1. Y is equal to
0.
0. Z is equal to 0. And it is plus 1, right? This is plus 1. Therefore, it will be on this plus x-axis. Okay, it is on plus x-axis. So here is your Q1. Okay, Q1 is here, and this Q1 is located at 1, 0, 0. Okay, so this is your charge Q1. Now, locate the another charge Q2. This Q2 is located at minus 1, 0, 0. Now just tell me on which axis this point is located?
Minus x.
Minus x-axis, correct, because x coordinate is given, all other two coordinates y and z are 0. Therefore, this Q2 is located here, okay, on negative x-axis. Okay, then Q3 coordinates are 0, 1, 0. Means x is equal to x coordinate is
0.
0. Y is equal to
1.
1. Z is equal to 0. Means this charge Q3 is located on which axis?
Y-axis, positive.
Plus positive y-axis. Okay, so here is your charge Q3. Okay, then charge Q4 is located at 0, minus 1, 0. Means here y is equal to minus 1. Means it is minus y-axis, right? Minus y-axis here. So this Q4 is located on minus y-axis. Okay. Now what they are asking? They are asking determine the force on a point charge of 30 microcoulomb located at 0, 0, 1. If it is 0, 0, 1, means on which axis this point is located?
Z-axis.
Z-axis. Correct. So here, this is your charge Q5. Okay, so we have to find the force, okay, on a charge, and this charge Q5 is of 30 microcoulomb, right? This charge Q5 is of 30 microcoulomb, and on this charge all forces are acting. Now there is force which is acting due to this charge Q1 on charge Q5. Okay, you all draw the straight lines here. Okay, all you draw straight lines, means the force is acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q1. It is denoted by like this. Then the force will act on charge Q5 due to charge Q2. Okay, in this direction, right? Now, similarly, force will act due to charge Q3. Okay, and due to charge Q4. Everyone draw the straight lines. Okay, is it right? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का सगळ्यांना? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now we have to find the force. Okay, but here it is not a force due to single charge, right? When we are considering the two charges, okay, two charges, and if I want to find the force acting on charge 2 due to charge 1, we are finding this simply as q1 q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into a bar r. Okay, 4 pi epsilon 0 r r12 square into a bar 12, right? This is our formula. But now here we are considering these all four forces, right? This force due to charge q1, the force will be, what will be the force due to charge q1? The force is acting on charge 5, right? So the force acting on charge 5 is, there are four forces. So what is the force acting on charge q5 due to charge q1? How that force is given?
F bar 5-1.
F bar 5-1, correct. Similarly, due to charge q2,
F bar 5-2.
correct. Means similarly, you can write for q3 and q4, right? Means we have to find the total force acting on charge q5, we have to add all these forces here. We have to add all these forces. So all of you up to this point, any doubt? समजलंय का सगळ्यांना? गौरी, roll number 21, गौरी. प्रवीण कांबळे. Okay. So now we have to find here all the forces. Okay, one by one. All of you noted this diagram. So here we'll see. We'll write all the forces first. The total force. Okay, total force acting on charge 5, Q5. Okay, is F bar 5, which is equal to, which is the addition of F bar. Okay, it is the force due to charge 1, Q1, plus due to charge Q2, that is F bar 5-2, plus due to charge Q3, that is given as F bar 5-3, and plus F bar 5-4. Plus F bar 5-4. Now we have to find this one by one. That is, first to find this F bar 5-1. Now how to find this F bar 5-1? Formula for finding this F bar 5-1 is Q1. Okay, one charge is Q1. Then the second charge is Q5 here, because force is acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q1. Okay, due to charge Q1. So here we are considering this line here. This line we are considering. Okay, so two charges are Q1 and Q5 here. Therefore, Q1 into Q5, Q1 into Q5 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into R. Here, what is R? It is R15 square. R15 square into unit vector A bar 15. Okay, into unit vector A bar 15. So here first we have to find this R15. Now, how to find this R15? How to find this R15? This distance This distance is r1, 5. So first you should know the coordinates. So coordinates of Q1 are 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. And coordinates of Q5 are 0, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to find this vector Q1 to Q5. Okay, so here end point minus start point. So it is, you can find this, right? So this R15, okay, R bar 15 is equal to, so what is the end point here? X coordinate 0, right? So minus 1 into unit vector A bar X, right? All of you getting? I think in your example you are writing continuously, right? Now, okay, so it is 0 minus 1 A bar X plus, what is the second coordinate?
0
Second
minus 0.
coordinate, correct. It is 0 minus 0 into A bar Y. And third is 1 minus 0 into unit vector A bar Z. Okay, so this R bar 15 is equal to minus A bar X and plus A bar Z plus A bar Z.
मॅडम तिथं 1 मायनस 0 येणार ना
कुठे?
तिथं ए बार एक्स तिथं 0 मायनस 1 आहे तिथं 1 मायनस 0 येणार ना
We are going to from charge Q1 to charge Q5, right? Na?
हा
Right?
येस मॅम
Then how we are finding any vector? End point minus start point. आता end point कोणता येते? 5 ना? बरोबर?
ओके
Q5 आणि हा Q1. So 0 minus 1.
Okay.
Ha. Okay. Now, from this R bar 15, you have to first find mod of R bar 15, which is equal to square root of minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 2. This is equal sign. Huh? It is equal to root 2. Okay. Then you can find here unit vector A bar 15, which is equal to that vector divided by its magnitude. So vector is R bar 15 divided by mod of R bar 15. Mod of R bar 15. Okay. So this vector is minus A bar X plus A bar Z plus A bar Z divided by root 2. Okay. This is your unit vector A bar 15. Now you know the magnitude of Q1. This Q1 is equal to 10 microcoulomb, means 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. Then Q5 is 30 microcoulomb, means 30 into 10 raised to minus 6, right? Divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. You know this R15, which is root 2, then its square, and A bar 15 is this one. Okay, so just to put all the values and find F bar 51. Similarly, you have to find F bar 52, F bar 53, F bar 54, and then you have to add all these forces to find F bar 5. Okay, and do it fastly and tell me the answer. Just one by one, you can tell me. You have to tell me first the answer of F bar 51. Hello? Everyone solving example? Varsha,
Yes, ma'am.
Rajeshri? Okay. First one solve F bar 51. And everywhere this magnitude will remain same because Q1 is same, means magnitudes of Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are same, and magnitude of Q5 is also constant, and this term is also constant, right? And for a distance also everywhere 110 or -100 likewise given. So its magnitude will also be root 2. You just check that first. Okay, what your answer is coming?
minus 0.953 a bar x plus
Correct.
0.955 a bar z.
Correct. Answer is right here. Okay, so I'll write here F bar 51. Okay, F bar 51 is equal to minus 0.953 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, minus 0.953 into, you have to simply multiply here by the unit vector. So it will be minus 0.953 into unit vector a bar x and plus 0.953. Means you can take this 0.953 common. Okay, into unit vector a bar z. Okay, so this is your f bar phi 1. Similarly, you have to find here f bar phi 2. Okay, just change this. Instead of q1, write q2. Okay, instead of r1 phi, r2 phi. Instead of a bar 1 phi, a bar 2 phi. But while taking the direction, it is from q2 to this q2 to q5. So first you have to consider its coordinates. So q2 coordinates are this minus 1 0 0. So you have to again find this vector r bar 2 5, right? R bar 2 5. So end point is 5, start point this is vector, sorry, r bar 2 5. So end point is 5, start point is 2 here. Okay, so end point coordinates minus start point coordinates. Okay, so solve like this. So it will be plus 1 a bar x. Okay, plus 1 a bar x and plus 1 a bar z. Okay, so solve this and tell me the final answer. Similarly, q f bar 5 due to all four charges. Shraddha, roll number 12, Shraddha. Roll number 14, Jnaneshwari. Present ke absent. Roll number 27, Kajal. Roll number 49, Anil Kamble. Anil. Roll number 58, Suraj. Suraj Mai. Okay, all these students are absent. Roll number 72, Deepak Vibhute. Okay, everyone note this, everyone solve this. And if you are not solving, it will be difficult for you only. Okay, this is your practice. When you finish your example, okay, means when you will get answer, just tell me. हॅलो, झालंय का? स्वप्नाली,
एकच मिनिट मॅम.
प्रशांत,
1 minute, ma'am.
हा. चंदना, if completed, inform me. रोल नंबर 70, सचिन. प्रेझेंट आहात का सचिन?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सॉल्व करताय का एक्झाम्पल?
हाँ.
So anyone just to tell me what is a bar 52? A bar 52?
0.953.
0.953 into bracket
A bar X.
plus a bar x. Okay, and
plus a bar z.
plus a bar z. Then f bar 53 is equal to 0.953 into bracket
Minus a bar y plus a bar z.
minus a bar y plus a bar z, correct. And f bar 54 is equal to 0.953 into bracket
Minus
plus
A bar Y plus A bar Z.
minus a bar y. Minus में that will be plus na. This Q4 is having 0 minus 1 0 means it is 0 second coordinate 0 minus minus 1 means it should be 0 plus 1 na.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay, so it is plus a bar y and plus a bar z, right na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just add all this, that is f bar 5 is equal to addition of all these. So I'll take this 0.953 common and just write vectors as minus a bar x plus a bar z minus a bar y plus a bar z, and then plus a bar y and plus a bar z minus a bar y plus a bar z plus so first one is remaining. First one I have taken. Just wait. The second one is remaining. I started from third one. Okay. This is f bar 5 1. F bar 5 1 is a bar x and plus a bar z minus a bar x plus a bar z. Then f bar 5 2. This f bar 5 2 is plus a bar x plus a bar x plus a bar z. Okay. Then f bar 5 3 is minus a bar y minus a bar y and plus a bar z plus a bar z, and f bar 5 4 is plus a bar y plus a bar y and plus a bar z plus a bar z. Okay, so here is there any component which get cancelled? So this is minus a bar
Minus
x
a bar x
plus
minus a bar y.
correct, minus a bar y plus a bar y. Okay, and all 3 a bar z, no, 4 a
Yeah.
bar z are present, right? So it is equal to 0.953 into 4. Just to multiply here directly into 4 a bar z. So find the answer.
3.812.
3.812. 812 a bar z. Okay, so this is your final answer. Make box for this answer. Okay. And this example is also asked in examination. Okay, so such examples can be asked for 6 marks or very sometimes for 8 marks. But for this you need practice so that you can do the calculations fastly. Okay, because time is very limited, and for calculations and writing derivations, it is time taking, means too much time get means while for writing a single question, you will require more time than the other papers. Okay, so if you practice these examples, okay, and all derivations also, you can write everything fastly. Okay, so every time I'll give you examples and you have to practice it. Okay, actually I wanted to take next point, that is electric field intensity, but we'll start in the next lecture, because that point is important. On that there are derivations and also examples. So that point is only remaining from this chapter, electric field intensity. And for this, be present, because lengthy derivations are there, and explanation is not given in books means that much, because means if you read that, you will not understand, okay, clearly each and every line. And one derivation is compulsorily asked in exam, so everyone be present from the next lecture. Okay, so for today, we'll stop here. Thank you all and have a nice day. And just wait for a minute.